see the traditional Luodian making process in China. Only then did I finally understand. Why only China? Only then can the world call it the land of treasures. Just a Luodian born in the northern Song dynasty. It will vividly demonstrate thousands of years old craftsmanship. This is a small factory in Shandong. Being a prostitute. First step. The old man had to pay his mother first after living for 5 years. Split. Then according to the specified size. Cut it into irregular triangles. After cutting, you can get a mother potion in many different forms. But these mother pills cannot be used directly. Need to put in will grinder. Perform the grinding process more than 3 times. Deal with. Mother being fooled is not as simple as we see. When the old man was destroyed, thick dust will fly up around you. Anytime. It no longer proves the devastation that this industry brings to the body. Even though the old man coughed for 10 years. But still determined to do it by hand. Maybe this is the love that everyone is talking about. Then soak for 5 minutes. After soaking, proceed to the third grinding stage. This machine will remove the mother blanket, grind as thin as A4 paper. And the water beside it also kept sweeping past. To eliminate substandard defective products. In the picture is the land and forms the mother's back. Looks very colorful and vibrant. Next, enter the second process. First the old man will draw black lines on the mother's shell. These lines are sample marks. Then cover the surface of the shell with light-colored white paper. And use a marker to draw a rough outline. Each piece of white paper corresponds to each piece of mother's back. This is also done to avoid misclassification. Go to next step. First, spread the white paper flat on the template. Then print the pattern on the bottom plate. Sketch a sample of the desired graphic. This is the step that tests your patience. Every line requires 2 hands to draw. It took half an hour to finish drawing. Paper after being cut. Then apply glue on mother's back. Stick the template on the back of the mother. And press hard until the 2 parts stick together. Then use large scissors to cut along the edges. Cut off the excess. Next is the important link. The old man can use the sentence to divide the sample slowly. Because the mother pad is extremely soft. Be extremely careful during segmentation. If not careful, the mother's back will break. With the division completed, start making another Luodian accessory. Let's see. This bird is actually hand-carved. Imaginable difficulty. Then cut the children back into strips. And keep the width and length consistent. Let's get to the inlay process. First, attach the female back to the tank surface. Then cut into squares. Manual adjustment is to return the child to its original position. Because the elderly are not allowed to take pictures of the tank casting details. Let me keep this short for you here. How does the back fit together? First the old man will paint the bucket full of hot melt glue. Then attach it to the mother's back. And spray the surface with green paint. Dry in the shade for 3 days. After polishing, it is shaped. Let's look at other types of Luodian. The first thing that catches the eye is the jewelry box. Also, in my video a few days ago, I have talked in detail about the specifics of Luodian. Interested friends can read it. What do you think about this kind of Luodian craft?